The Wii is a home console released in 2006. It sold 101 million units and is Nintendo's second console to pass 100 million units sold. But with 2 generations of consoles later, is it still worth it to buy a Wii, and which one? All of these questions will be answered in this video, so stay tuned. The Wii released in 3 variants, the first one being the original launch model from 2006. It features GameCube compatibility and a stand in the box. But in 2011, Nintendo thought, we don't need the stand, and by the way, get the super glue. These flaps on the top fall off way too easily. Let's fix that. No place for GameCube compatibility? Well, whatever, put that thing on the shelf. After Nintendo made the Wii worse, they thought we can make the Wii even worse. So they released the Wii Mini in 2012, in Canada only as a testing region, and the rest of the world in late 2013. When you think about it, Nintendo does it quite a lot, making the successful consoles worse. The 3DS to the 2DS, the Switch to the Switch Lite. But back to the Wii Mini. To put in perspective, when the Wii Mini came out, the Wii U was on store shelves for 1 year. But what did Nintendo add to the Wii Mini to make it stand out? They added a red Wii remote. And what did they remove? They removed the SD card slot, the cool slot loading disk drive, one of the USB ports, and they removed internet from the Wii Mini. Not even LAN was an option, at least officially that is. But we'll get to that later. How was the game library? It was full of shovelware. To be fair, there were some genuine good games like Super Mario Galaxy 1 and 2, New Super Mario Bros. Wii, Donkey Kong Country Returns, and many more. But due to Nintendo's casual first approach, they released more titles targeted towards casual audiences like Wii Sports, Wii Play, Wii Music, Wii Chess, Wii Fit, and so on. Nintendo wasn't the only company who had targeted the casual audiences. Other studios like Ubisoft focused on making accessible games like Wii Ski and games such as Wii Dare, the best game. Side note, connecting the Wii to modern televisions is difficult to say the least, due to most televisions not having the RCA connectors from the Wii. Is there any homebrew on the Wii? Yes, there are many homebrew applications like Reconnect 24, which re-enables online play, and features such as the Weather and News channel, Nintendo, which enables GameCube compatibility even on models that don't have the physical ports for GameCube compatibility. Even on the Wii Mini you can add a LAN connection via homebrew. And there's again a Sonic Mania, which runs on the Wii as well as you expect it to. So to recap, the Wii, due to being old, has a decent collection of games and homebrew, but things like connecting it to the TV will only get more difficult as time progresses. As for what model to get, the original Wii makes the most sense due to having the GameCube compatibility. The Wii Family Edition makes less sense, but if you don't care about GameCube and the price is way cheaper, then get that one. The Wii Mini only makes sense for a sub $10 or free. Otherwise, the regular Wii is a better option to get. So this is it for Is the Wii Still Worth It? I hope I could entertain you all out there. If you like this video, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button down below. And if you have any suggestions for a future video, comment down below. With that, I will see you all later.